When we talk about the term biopsy, what that means is that we're taking a small amount of tissue from your body, placing it in the lab to allow that the cells in that tissue to grow to see what is going to become and what's actually in those cells. Most times, the cells will replicate themselves a few times and then they will die. Henrietta Lack, instead of her cells dying, they continued to regenerate themselves, to reproduce themselves. And hers was seen as an infinite, like, reproduction that would never end. So when this was discovered, her cells, without her knowledge, her family's knowledge, her consent, or that of her family, was shared with laboratories throughout the world. Throughout the world. She has been recognized by the World Health Organization. Her cells are what's known as HeLa cells. She has been recognized as being kind of the breakthrough for modern medicine. And why is that? Her cells were used to make the polio vaccine. Her cells have been used for the development of the human papilloma vaccine, which is used to help prevent cervical cancer. So when couples are not able to have children, they will go through in vitro fertilization. Her cells have been used to assist with that technology. More recently, a biotechnology lab in Massachusetts had sold her cells, again, without the family's knowledge, without the family's consent. We're now talking 70 years from the time when those cells were first taken from her body. Her cells are still being used. And while these companies have made billions of dollars, her family has yet to receive any compensation. They have received no money at all. They do sit on the board of the NIH to make determination about which companies would be granted the privilege to use her cells. But this is still going on. And this is all because you had a procedure done in which tissue was taken and without her knowledge, without her consent, and it's being profited from by these labs around the world.